Hi, friends. It is so nice to see you here. Wow, words really are everywhere. I love to collect them so I can connect to them. I wonder what today's special word is. Let's see. W-A-T-E-R. Do you know what that spells? Water. Let's say it together. Water. 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 Wow. When I say the word water, my body feels so many different feelings. I'm sure yours does too. I wonder why we feel those feelings. Let's connect to the word water. Hey, Ed.
Hey, Oopa. I hear that today's word is water.
It is. Wow, words spread fast. What does the word water make you think about?
These goggles.
Oh, I have goggles like those. Why do they make you think of water?
Well, Oopa, I love swimming. It's one of my favorite activities, and these goggles help me open my eyes underwater.
Like in the swimming pool?
Yes, in the pool, but also in other bodies of water. Lakes, oceans. I love how I feel in the water, so I'm happy to swim anywhere.
I love water too. I really love when it's raining outside, and I love splashing in puddles.
Oh, definitely. Water is part of everything, Oopa. There's rainwater, seawater, water we use in cooking, and water that we drink.
That's amazing, Ed. You know what? All this water talk really made me thirsty.
Yeah, even our bodies need water. Let's have some.
Okay, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Water is delicious.
That's good.
Okay, friends, now that we understand the word water in our minds, it's time to get up and connect the word water to our bodies. Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, come on, let's go.
All right.
Okay, Ed, you're gonna stand over here, and I'm gonna stand over here. That's it. Now bring your arms out to the side. Circle them around. Make sure you have enough room. Okay, put them back down. Let's take a long breath in. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna say the word water. Repeat it after me. Water.
Water.
Okay, we're gonna pretend that we're at the pool. Let's jump into the pool. Ooh, we're all wet now. And now we're gonna do a freestyle stroke. Go ahead, bring your arm up, elbow up even higher, right there. Okay, we're starting off slow. We're learning how to swim. And now can you push the water even more? Guess who taught me to swim, friends? My friend Ed. He's a swim coach. All right, keep on swimming. We're gonna do 4 more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, stand up. Now I wanna do a backstroke. Go ahead, bring your arms up, and now bring one arm back at a time. That's it. You can keep a slight bend in your elbows. Okay, go really far. Oh, I'm gonna touch the edge of the pool. And now I wanna float. Bring your arms up. Float side to side. You're so relaxed in the water. Okay, time to get out of the pool. Let's do one last dunk in the pool. One last. Yeah, and now come all the way up. You ready to do it again?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a long breath in. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna say the word water. Repeat it after me. Water.
Water.
Okay, let's jump in. Whoa, that water is cold. Okay, let's start swimming. Bring your elbows up. Now, can you rotate a little bit side to side? That's what the athletes do. All right, now can you push the water even more? Get a little bit farther. Okay, let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stand up. Let's do a backstroke now. Bring your arms up. All right, go ahead, one arm at a time. You got this. Feel comfortable. Can you bend your elbows a little bit? Lean back even more. Okay, let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now just float. Float backwards. Yeah, don't forget to float, Ed. Enjoy this. Yeah, float side to side. Ooh, It's nice and sunny today up in the sky. And now let's do one last dunk in the water, one last dunk, get all wet, and then shoot up. Okay, let's have a seat. Playing in the water makes me feel so light and flexible.
Me too. It's my favorite way to move my body and keep me healthy.
Thanks for connecting with me today, Ed.
Thanks, Oopa.
W-A-T-E-R. Water. Ed uses goggles to swim in the water. I just love water. I love the rain. I love the pool and oceans. Our bodies need water. I wonder what the word water makes you think about. Thanks for connecting with me today. Bye.
Oopa, Oopa, lives in the world of words. Oopa, Oopa, lives in the world of words. Words wake her up, live in her head, move around till she goes to bed.
Hi, friends. It is so nice to see you here. Wow, words really are everywhere. I love to collect them so I can connect to them. I wonder what today's special word is. Let's see. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Do you know what that spells? Energy. Let's say it together. N-E-R-G. Energy. 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 Wow. When I say the word energy, my body feels so many different feelings. I'm sure yours does too. I wonder why we feel those feelings. Let's connect to the word energy. Hey, Talia.
Hey, Oopa. I hear today's word is energy.
It is. Wow. Words spread fast. What does the word energy make you think about?
The sun.
The sun? Why?
The sun is such a powerful source of energy. Rays of sunshine come down and help the plants grow and the flowers bloom. The sun even gives us energy.
Really? How?
When the sun shines down on us when we're playing outside, it helps our bodies feel warm and happy.
So energy makes you feel warm and happy?
It sure does. Energy comes in all different forms, and it helps all types of things move and change.
You give me energy, Talia.
Thanks, Oopa. Learning with you gives me energy too.
Now I'm feeling energized to move. Okay, friends, now that we connected the word energy in our minds, it's time to get up and connect the word energy to our bodies. Are you ready?
I am.
Come on, let's go. Okay, Talia, you're gonna stand over here and I'm gonna stand over here. That's it. Now bring your arms out to this side. Circle them around. Make sure you have enough room. Bring them back down. Let's take a long breath in. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna say the word energy. Repeat it after me. Energy.
Energy.
That's it. Let's pretend to be the sun. Bring your arms out to the side. Bring your arms all the way up. It's a bright, sunny day, giving us a lot of energy. And now bring your arms down, like the sun is setting. Oh, it's a new day. Bring your arms all the way back up. A bright, new, energized day. Bring your arms down. Okay, we're gonna separate our feet and we're gonna pretend to be wind energy. Move your arms side to side, swooshing like the wind. Bring your legs into it, bend your knees. That's it. Okay, one more big swoosh. All right, come back to center. Keep your feet separate. You're gonna bend your knees, and now you're gonna swing your arms up and down. This energy is water energy, almost like a wave in the ocean. Let's do 3 more. 1, whoosh. 2, whoosh. 3, that's it. Okay, stand back up. You ready to do that again?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a long breath in. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna say the word energy. Repeat it after me. Energy.
Energy.
That's it. Let's be the sun. Go ahead, reach your arms all the way up. It's a bright, beautiful day. Bring your arms down. I'm playing around outside. Energy in my body. Come back up, all the way up to the sky. Bring your arms back down. All right, separate your feet. Let's be the wind energy. Swoosh side to side. That's it. Get your whole body into it. Can you bring the wind even higher? That's it. Okay, one more time. All right, stand all the way up. Last one, water energy. You're gonna bend your knees, bring your arms up. And now swoosh all the way down, all the way up. Big waves, a big ocean. I might even go surfing. All right, 3 more. 1, whoa, 2, last one, and 3. Okay, we're done. Let's sit down. My body feels like it's radiating energy like the sun.
I feel so warm and happy.
Thanks for connecting with me today, Talia.
Thank you, Oopa.
ENERGY. Energy. Talia is like the sun. She has so much energy. Energy is a source of power. Moving your body is a good way to use up your energy. I wonder what the word energy makes you think about. Thanks for connecting with me today. Bye.
Oopa, Oopa lives in the world of words. Oopa, Oopa lives in the world of words. Words wake her up, live in her head, move around till she goes to bed.
Hi, friends. It is so nice to see you here. Wow, words really are everywhere. I love to collect them so I can connect to them. I wonder what today's special word is. Let's see. GARDENING. Can you guess what that spells? Gardening. Let's say it together. Gardening. 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 Wow. When I say the word gardening, my body feels so many different feelings. I'm sure yours does too. I wonder why we feel those feelings. Let's connect to the word gardening. Hey, NoNo.
Hey, Oopa. I heard that today's word is gardening.
It is. Wow, word spread fast. What does the word gardening make you think about?
These delicious peppers.
Those peppers are really colorful. Where did you get them?
I grew them in my garden.
You grew them by yourself?
I did.
How?
Well, I found a sunny spot and I dug a hole and I planted these seeds. Just like these.
I can't even see them. Wait, these tiny seeds, check them out. These tiny seeds turn into those big peppers?
Yes, they do.
How?
Well, after they're planted, you have to water them for months. The sun does its job, and then before you know it, you'll have a pepper plant growing that has a lot of peppers on it.
Wow, that's a long time to wait though. Months?
Gardening takes patience, but in the end, you have delicious vegetables.
I love delicious vegetables. They're so crunchy and yummy. Okay, friends, now that we understand the word gardening in our minds, it's time to get up and connect the word gardening to our bodies. You ready? Come on, let's go. Okay, NoNo, you're gonna stand over here and I'm gonna stand over here. Okay, get to your spot. Now bring your arms out to the side. Make sure you have enough room. That's it, bring your arms down. Okay, stand up tall and let's take a deep breath in. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna say the word gardening and repeat it after me. Gardening.
Gardening.
Okay, let's start by digging a hole. Dig a hole 3 times. Let's dig right there. That's a big hole. All right, dig. Okay, and now let's pretend to be a seed and let's jump into the hole. All right, let's put 2 seeds in the hole. Jump into the hole again. Okay, sink down. You're getting cozy in the soil. Uh-oh, that's awesome. Starting to rain. Pitter patter. Yeah, that's it, NoNo. That's it, everyone. Okay, and now the sun is starting to come out. Okay, I'm starting to grow. I'm starting to grow like a tall plant. And now I'm growing into my vegetables. Okay, settle your arms down. You ready to do that again?
Sure.
Okay, let's take a deep breath in and exhale. I'm going to say the word gardening and say it after me. Gardening.
Gardening.
Okay, let's say it louder, everyone. Gardening.
Gardening.
That's it. Okay, let's dig a hole. 3 times. Dig. Uh-oh, dig a big hole here. I'm going to plant some big plants this time. Okay. All right, now let's pretend to be a seed and jump into the hole. Jump in. Let's jump in again. 2 seeds. Okay, sink down. Bring your hips low. Okay, now it's starting to rain. Pitter patter, it's a thunderstorm. We're gonna get a lot of rain today. Okay, now the sun's starting to come out. I'm starting to grow. I'm growing a little taller, right? I'm growing into a tall plant. And now bring your arms out into a vegetable right there. Okay, settle your arms down. Okay, we're done. Come on, let's sit down. I pretended to be a pepper growing. Gardening is really fun.
It is. I enjoy gardening because I get to grow vegetables and share them with my friends, like you.
Thanks, NoNo. Thanks for connecting with me today.
Thank you, Oopa.
Gardening. Gardening. NoNo loves gardening. I can't wait to test the pepper he grew for me. Gardening takes a lot of patience. It was so fun moving myself like a little seed turning into a big, large plant. I wonder what gardening makes you think about. Thanks for connecting with me today. Bye.